If you want to save your money, let's Veraci try it to see if you can buy it. Alright guys, just to save it. You see, I'm like this. So guys, let's try and see. It's really okay. Let's try guys. Okay, let's see. Alright. Alright guys, now see. Alright. Alright guys. Guys. Alright guys, now let's this one to see this between these two. Alright. Alright guys, see this between these two. Guys, this is good. You can buy it. This is shit guys. Almost buy this one. Buy this one guys.